How to remove suggested on Messenger on the new update. The first thing that we need to check is if the Messenger app is updated. So go to your App Store, search Messenger, update if your version is not the latest, but mine's already updated. So let us now move on to the Messenger app. And here, you can click on your profile or the three lines on the upper left corner of the screen. In here, click the gear icon, scroll down and then go to phone contacts, and you can see upload contacts and manage contacts. Now, by default, Messenger will suggest contacts from your phone book and Facebook friends list. So if you want to remove the suggested people on your feed, go on and click on upload contacts. Make sure to turn this off. Next, go to manage contacts, and usually your contact list will appear here. In my case, I already deleted mine, but what you will do is to delete all contacts. After that, go to settings, general, iPhone storage, find the Messenger app, and then offload app to remove any previous information stored in the application, and after offloading, reinstall it. After reinstalling, your suggested people in Messenger should disappear. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.